Hey guys, I'm Common105 and today I just want to say I'm at my grandma's house right now here and I just want to show you her pets. So right now I have Sammy and Bambi. This is Bambi. This is Sammy, and they're up on the couch and I really need to help them down. Jiggly, Bambi. Okay, and over here we have my cousin's dog, Pickles. It's Lacey right now. What are you doing, Pickles?
He's stretching, he's tired, he's going back to sleep.
Wakes up and he falls back asleep. Sammy, what are you doing?
He says I'm prettier than Pickle.
Really? What are you looking at me? Why? What are you doing? So that's basically it. We don't really have that many pets. Wait, I almost forgot. We've got chickens! Chickens! Where's the chickens? Chickens? Let me get around somehow. I think I'm gonna have to jump the fence to get to the chickens. Ah, yeah, chickens. Chickens. It's hard to tell the difference. It's like really hard. It's like chickens. Are you good, chickens? Chickens. I think there's at least like 4. Chickens are weird. Weird. It reminds me of Thomas. You can see a leg. Hey, chicken. I think that's basically it. I don't know how many more we can get, but there's a lot of pets at my grandma's house. Bye.